Hey there, Ivana here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your clickable website link inside of your TikTok profile. So let's get started. Okay, one final stop before we continue. If you are someone who is looking to grow as an individual, if you're looking to build a side hustle, or if you're looking to grow an online business, then definitely I can help. So hit the subscribe button right below this video and make sure you turn on the notification button because on a weekly basis, I will be sending you more how-to videos in order to help you with your online journey. So let's get started. Okay, there are going to be 3 steps to make this happen. So the step number 1 on your TikTok, what you need to do is go over to your profile and make sure you are clicking on me right here. The second thing that you need to do is click on these 3 lines at the very top, basically for the settings, and then you go over to manage your account. And this is the first step because what you need to do is turn your personal account into a business account. So there should be a switch here. It used to be called pro account, now it's business account. And once you're done with that, just make sure you come back to this page right here because we need to work with step number 2. Now the step number 2 is click on edit profile, right? Once you do that, what you're gonna get is the step number 3, which is going to this link right here, website. Click on this right here. The new window is going to pop up where you can type in your URL of your business or website that you want to send people to. You can even connect them with your YouTube channel. You can do whatever you want, right? Another thing that I would love to give you a tip on is a couple of things. One is you should create a bio. Inside of the bio, you can add in your hashtag so people can find what it is that you are doing with TikTok. And 2 other things, if you are using Instagram or YouTube, you can connect these 2 platforms actually inside of TikTok. So as you're growing your TikTok following, you can actually grow your profiles on Instagram and YouTube as well. So that is it when it comes to adding your clickable links to TikTok. Make sure you subscribe or check out some other videos that might be helpful for your business.